Generating sales reports in Salesflare is a breeze, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it quickly and efficiently. If you're new to Salesflare, you might be wondering how to access and use this feature, especially since sales reports are key to tracking performance and making data-driven decisions. Stick with me, and I'll break it down step by step. First off, Salesflare is a fantastic CRM that's designed to save you time by automating much of your sales process. One of the main features it offers is its intuitive reporting capabilities, which give you a clear view of your team's performance, pipeline, and overall sales health. Now, let's get into how you can easily generate these sales reports within the software. When you log into your Salesflare account, you'll want to head over to the Scriptos reporting section. You'll find it under the Insights tab on the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll be able to access various reports, including sales performance, activities, and other metrics you'll want to track. The great thing about Salesflare's reporting is that it allows you to customize your reports according to your needs. If you're looking to generate a new sales report auto, for example, you can filter it by time period, deal stages, or even by individual sales rep. It's this kind of customization that gives you the control to track exactly what matters most to you. Once you're in the reports area, you'll see options to choose the type of report you want to generate. There's an auto overview report that gives you a quick snapshot of your sales pipeline, showing active deals, expected revenue, and overall progress. You can adjust this report to display daily, weekly, or monthly data depending on your preference, if you're after something more detailed like a more customized sales performance report. Salesflare allows you to create one by selecting specific filters. This is especially useful if you want to dive deeper into performance metrics, such as how many deals were closed in a certain period or which sales reps are performing best. Another really handy feature of Salesflare's reporting is the ability to export your reports. Whether you need to present these reports to your team or share them with a client, you can download them in either SOPADs, CSV, or PDF format, Soramosa. This means you'll always have your data ready to go, no matter where you are. Now, if you're wondering how to get started, don't worry. Salesflare makes it incredibly easy to begin using their reports with just a few clicks. And here's the best part. You can use the software completely for free with our exclusive bonus. Check the first link below for an extended free trial of Salesflare, where you can explore all the features, including sales reports, without any risk. So to sum it up, with Salesflare, you get intuitive and powerful sales reports that can be customized to fit your needs, and they're super easy to generate. From tracking sales performance to monitoring pipeline progress, these reports help you stay on top of your business. Remember, you can dive into all of this today with an exclusive extended free trial by clicking the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to explore Salesflare and start optimizing your sales reporting today.